have a question for restaurant owners. How many offers did you make yesterday? In other words, how many people did you invite to your restaurant to have dinner, lunch, spend some money, order some food? How many times did you do that yesterday? If you're like most restaurant owners, the answer is not enough. And that's what concerns me. You see, as the saying goes, your sales is directly correlated to the amount of offers you make. So if you're making the same amount of offers you did today than you did yesterday, how are you going to reach your 2020 goals? Simple answer, you're not. So then, why aren't you making more offers? Do you mind if I just share you a little strategy that won't cost you very much money? Try making a video ad like this one for your dining experience or food. You know, it's only costing me 1 to 10 cents every time someone sees this ad. And if it's profitable, we ramp it up, spend more money, make more money. And if it's not profitable, we turn it off almost immediately. Because unlike newspaper, radio, or print ads, you're not locked into a contract. You could just turn it on and off as you like, and with almost real-time data, you could see if it's working. But there is a catch. Let me tell you, it takes time to figure out the perfect audience, to set up a persuasive message and offer for that audience. It takes time to set up the website and do the technical stuff and manage it on a day-to-day basis. If you don't have that time or desire, I have some good news, so keep listening. I'd like to make you an offer that you can refuse, but shouldn't if you want me to send you some customers and diners. Let me make the first ad for you. Working with me is easy. Just click the button. Tell me what kind of restaurant you have. On our call, I'll tell you exactly what to write, who to show it to, and how to find that person, just like I found you. After our conversation, you could take what I taught you and run with it. Or you could pay me to do it for you. Either way, you win. So click the button, let's schedule an appointment, and let's get going.